Hey everybody, Burnt Toast today. I'm going to talk about this Kanger EVOD today and rebuilding it. So, you don't want to miss this. Here we go. Alright, now it's time to break down the Kanger EVOD. So we're going to screw this, pull it out. We're going to pull the coil out. Pull this plastic washer off. Handy dandy pliers. Pull the top off. You can see the bad wick in there. Now we're going to pull the positive pin out. Positive pin. And the rubber seal. And now the wick. And we're just going to get rid of this. Okay, so now that we're all broken down, got some pre-made wire. And this is a 1/8 of an inch stick. 28 gauge wire. And we're going to do about 8 wraps. And then we're going to push them close together. Sometimes it's a little tricky. Just make sure they get close together. And that's your coil. So now we're going to stick it into the bottom piece. Leave it attached to the stick. And get it through here. And check our measurements. And we're a little over. So we're going to probably take a wrap off. Push it close together again. Stick it back down the tank. And we're not touching any sides in there, so that's good. So now we're going to pin this wire out of the way and take our rubber seal and put it down the other wire that you did not bend out of the way and stick it in the hole. Okay, now we're going to bend this one and stick the positive pin in. And we're going to cut off this excess wire. Boom. Now we're going to check our resistance. On the eye test. Alright, 1.2. Look at that coil. Beautiful. Okay. Now we're going to take our cotton and we're going to stick it through the coil. Grab a little too much cotton, but that's alright. put this back on. And the rubber piece. And we're going to shove some of this cotton down in there. And just reminder, be careful when you're putting the cotton in there. Don't want to move your coil around too much or stab yourself in the finger like I just did 2 times. Alright, we're ready to go. So I have to say, I'm really satisfied with this rebuild. So, if you have any other questions, leave it in the comment section. And remember, if you have a coil that's 1 ohm or lower, use a mechanical mod. Don't use the iTaste. Probably not a good idea. So, performing really well. I'm satisfied. I hope you guys are too. I'll see you later.